Hello and thank you for your purchase of the Pocket Translator. This is the premier smart translation device. The Pocket Translator is an excellent smart device that allows you to instantly translate between many popular worldwide languages. Today I'm going to be going over the setup instructions and how to actually use your Pocket Translator. Let's go over what comes inside the box and then we'll go over how exactly to connect it to your phone. Here are all the components that come inside the box. So you have your protective case, the translator itself, the charging cable, the manual, and an awesome little lanyard. The Pocket Translator is a very nice, high-quality device, very reminiscent of other nice, high-quality smartphone devices. To turn it on, you will see the on-off switch here on the side. It is currently switched to off. All you have to do is turn it to on, and the power will come on. On the face of the unit, you're going to have 5 separate buttons. You're going to have the volume up, volume down, microphone towards you, microphone away from you, and of course the center enter button. Now we begin the process of pairing the unit with your phone. Grab your smartphone and let's open up the manual. In the manual you're going to see a variety of instructions including this QR code. Using your smartphone's QR scanner, you're going to scan this code, which will then redirect you to the proper store to download the app. Easiest way is to lay the manual flat on a table, open up your app, and scan the code. You'll see the notification on the top. I'll click that. It'll redirect to the App Store where you can then download the proper program. Or just go directly to the App Store and look for Hello Translator. It has this little logo icon with the AB on it. Now that the app is installed, open it up and proceed to create a new account. Once created, log in. Now that you're in, you're going to come to this screen where you'll then be able to pair with your device. Next step, you're going to click on the settings icon here where you'll then be able to connect to a new device. With the unit on, press the volume down button for 3 seconds and it'll enter networking mode. You will hear the prompt.
Networking mode.
Now that the green light is flashing, press next. Here is where you must decide how you want to connect to your translator. If you're going to be traveling and moving about, then hook up to your phone's mobile hotspot. Please note that you must have mobile hotspot service activated on your phone prior to connecting. If you're going to be at a stationary location like a hotel or your home, then click on Wi-Fi. Today we're going to be hooking up to Wi-Fi. Make sure that your phone is already connected to a Wi-Fi hotspot. Then click on the button and you will notice that your current Wi-Fi is showing up. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Before pressing sure, make sure you're in a quiet location without distractions. Your phone will be emitting a series of pings and noises which your translator will pick up on and connect to. The signal is very high-pitched and can be a little bit annoying for some, so this is best done in a quiet room alone. Place your 2 devices near each other and press sure.
Network connected.
And now we have a successful connection. Simply click on the drop-down arrow and choose your languages. You will notice that you have a wide variety of worldwide languages. In this case, English and Spanish. And just like that, your translator is now configured and ready to be used. Picking up your device, you're now going to go back to the face. You're going to see the microphone facing towards you and the microphone facing towards who you're talking to. When it's your turn to speak, you're going to click on the microphone facing towards you. Then say what you'd like to say. It will then translate into the selected language. For their response, you're going to click on the microphone facing towards them. Let them speak and it will translate back to you. Let's try it. Press and hold the microphone facing you. Hello, how are you today?
Hola, ¿cómo estás hoy?
And for the response, estoy bien. ¿Cómo estás tú?
I'm fine. How are you?
Hello, how are you today?
你好，今天好吗？
Where can I get something to eat?
Où puis-je manger?
Today is a beautiful day.
Hoje é dia lindo.
And just like that, you are now ready to take on the world and translate those languages.
Así que ahora estás listo para aceptar el mundo y traducir estos idiomas.
If you have any questions, comments, or would like to purchase your own Pocket Translator, I will leave the contact information for Pocket Translator customer service in the description box below. Or click on the link directly to purchase yours online. Thanks for watching and have fun with your new Pocket Translator device.